backbench student, now shy feeling student. Now earlier I could read, write, but when I had to speak in English, I could not. Now my mind going to be blank. The words doesn't come out. I felt like very shy. I felt like nervous, but at that moment I had butterflies in my stomach. The people surrounding me, they spoke very well in English. So at that moment I felt English is not for me. It's not suitable, I thought. But slowly I got better result. But I never used any shortcuts. Just I used simple habits. Simple habits. It helped me a lot throughout my learning journey. I never focusing on any mistakes. I made many mistakes throughout my journey, but I never focusing on. I followed only simple habits. It's helped me a lot. Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to sharing with you simple habits to learn English language in simple way. By using simple methods, you can learn English language simple manner. As a beginner, this video particularly for the beginners only who want to learn English language as completely other native language is different language. They want to learn English language, so this is a video is for you. Okay, just stay tuned till the end. You can able to get different kind of methods as this, and as well as real life story. The person how he got the better result in throughout my learning journey. Okay, first one is start speaking. Even if it is wrong, no problem at all. Okay, even if it is wrong, start speaking. Yes, you heard about it right. I started speaking English and simple sentences. Like I never focusing on any mistakes, grammatical mistakes and everything. Just I started with a few sentences, like simple sentences. I am going to school. Like first one is I am going to school. I want to go to the market. I will eat lunch now only. Like this kind of simple lines of sentences. It helped me a lot throughout my learning journey. Every single day you can practice these kind of lines. You can able to get new words, new thoughts. Am I right or not? Definitely will get. For suppose I will eat lunch. This sentence you can make different way. Am I right? If you are using every day, which you following consistency. Next, second one, listen to English every day. Listen short videos, or if possible movies as well. Otherwise go for reading articles, whatever it may be. Just listen carefully. But I did not understand any single word in the particular videos, single word as well. But I continued watching the movies or short videos. My ears used to English. My ears got used to in English, and I focusing on the lines of the sentences. My eyes also working on it. When I want to talk with other people, like this, what I listen, that lines, that sentences, I got it, and I used to automatically I used to the same sentences, same words, same lines of sentences used to talk with other people. That's the magic of listening. Really guys, I got this magic from the listening only. If you have a time, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it may be, just listen carefully. Whether it may be motivational videos, or whether it may be English movies, or whether it may be short videos, short movies, like animation videos, stories, different kind of thing. Videos are there, right? Just listen. Just no need to take it down anything. Just listen. See the magic. Next, third one. Use to English in daily life. Use it English in daily life. Yes, you heard about it, right? If you are doing anything, normal things in your home, normal activity like sweeping or something, cleaning the vessels, utensils and everything. While doing that particular activity, you should think in English about the particular activity. For suppose if you are I want to go for like even market I want to go to market. Let's go home. Clean the vessels. You should think in English. Any activity you are doing, like if you are reading. So I am reading this paragraph. I should understand this paragraph. Like this, you need to practice. This method gave me practice without having any pressure. Yes, guys. If you're following like simple lines of sentences and everything, it's very normal thing, right? So you don't have any prior stress feeling like while learning English journey, because it is a completely another language. If you put your efforts long time, it may going to be stress or like pressure. If you're like doing a enjoyable way, like a funny way, you don't get any pressure or stress feeling to learn any other languages. Am I right or not? Just think about it, okay? Before going to further, I'm going to giving you small story. And 1 month back, I met one of my friend, like her name is Divya. Even she wants to learn English language. At that moment, she is a 10th class friend. She is very shy feeling, and she, after completion of her degree, she wants to move on to the getting IT field job. The only thing is English language. So she has very fear and also the nervous. She felt always very nervous kind of thing. But she wants to learn English. She tried a lot, but she can't do it. After that, she came to know that the simple habits. I need to know, practice this thing, just let it be how it's working in it. She practiced every single day 10 minutes, like talking to herself only. After talking to herself, if she is doing any activity, she is used to think in English at any moment. After 3 months, she got long-lasting results. Just heard about it, right? Just she has done only thing is 10 minutes practice every single day at the same moment. After 3 months, she got long-lasting results. Really, guys, she said to me. That's why I am sharing with you same tips, and it has also helped me to a lot. I have done like this only, like similar, like she said, like same thing only. Okay, you also learn these habits through these habits only. I thought. I said to her also. I have done same thing. She also done same thing only simultaneously. I don't know that. What a coincidence, right? Like I have done like 10 minutes of practice every single day. Listen to English when I have a free time. She also done like that only. But I used to listen like motivational videos, like TEDx channel motivational videos. She has done watching maximum times movies. Through that, she got effective results. That's why I'm sharing this story. You should do it. But the consistency makes you more perfect. Okay? Fourth one, don't scared about the mistakes. But previous days I felt very sad when I have done any grammatical mistakes or sentence making mistakes. But now I'm never thinking about the mistakes. I should share any thought, anything clearly or not. I'm focusing on it only. If I communicate with another one, they can able to understand what I am saying or not. I focusing on that one only. If you are focusing on mistakes and everything, you couldn't get any result in your learning journey. So I am requesting you to just focusing on practicing, not for the mistakes. Okay. Next, practice every single day. Yes, I never practiced 1 hour every single day. Just I practice only 10 minutes or 15 minutes at particular moment. I talking to myself as much as possible. After 1 month, I try to talk with other people as well, like using different kind of words and inshorting, like tremendously, like a good environment, like this kind of words I used to talk with other people. Like we used to using different kind of words. The learning journey also will affect you. You will feel like oh my god, I'm able to using different kind of words. Wow, you can feel like this kind. You feel like it. So you should do it. These things. First one is start speaking, even if it is wrong. Second one is listen to English every single day, 10 minutes at least. Third one is use to in English in daily life. Don't scared about the mistakes. Next, last one, practice every single day. Simple habits make you better person in your life. You will get best position in your life. Definitely. No doubt at all in this moment. Okay. Backbench student, now shy feeling student, now become confident girl. Am I right? Just do it. English makes you that kind of person. Yes, guys. This is all about video. So you should start like Divya. You should start just 10 minutes each day, right? Just do it. If anyone start learning journey, just comment below. I will start today itself. Just let me know how many people are going to start. I want to read. Thank you. Thank you, people.